MSTR stock tomorrow. Am I buying? I'll talk about this in this short 1-minute video. Now, MicroStrategy actually just delivered like a -1R, which is part of the game, and it's almost 8% down. Seems like people are clipping this, but I have done 32,000 videos and spent thousands of dollars on course cement chips, and as a result, gotten thousands of square predictions. By the way, I've documented everything. The reason why I say people are clipping this, clip means short, right? It's just some slang. But MSTR, we have this demand area here. Bro, this is still a market that I'm willing to long, like, because I have a rule not more than 2 trades in a range, and yeah, this still stands still. But obviously, if I see the double break and the confirmations is met. Other than that, I will keep you updated. Like this last year, MSTR has been just like a proper longing range, and it's been going up. You know, it's just a matter of whether I capitalize or not, and I did if you watch my videos. But if you want to make more money trading in a simple way, click the first link in the description, and I will see you in the next one.